Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel where learning English is easy and fun. I am Nathan.
And I am Claire. It is absolutely fantastic to be here with you all today.
Let me ask you a quick question. Have you ever wanted to speak English naturally and connect with new friends, but the moment you try, you feel nervous, your mind goes completely blank, or you worry you sound like a stiff robotic textbook?
Exactly. That is the big challenge right there. We put so much pressure on ourselves to be perfect, but traditional textbook rules just put an invisible wall between you and the person you're chatting with.
Well, do not worry at all. In today's episode, we're going to fix that and build your confidence with simple, everyday English. We'll show you how to express yourself naturally, make real human connections, and share your world completely stress-free.
And today, we're going to learn about nouns and pronouns. These are the very building blocks of every English sentence. Without them, you simply cannot speak English. So let's dive right in.
So, Claire, let's start with nouns. What exactly is a noun?
Great starting point. A noun is simply a word that names something.
Names something. What does that mean exactly?
It means a noun is the name of a person, a place, a thing, or an idea.
So anything that has a name is a noun.
Exactly. Let me give some examples.
Go ahead.
Person nouns: teacher, doctor, friend, mother, student, child.
Place nouns: school, hospital, city, park, restaurant, office.
Thing nouns: book, phone, car, table, coffee, bag.
Idea nouns: love, happiness, freedom, knowledge, anger, peace.
See, nouns are everywhere.
Yes, look around you right now.
Everything you can see is a noun.
Table, chair, window, door, floor, ceiling, wall.
All nouns, all around us every single day.
Now, nouns have two important types.
Yes, common nouns and proper nouns.
Let's explain both.
A common noun is a general name, not specific.
City, country, teacher, dog, river, mountain.
These are general. They do not name a specific person or place.
A proper noun is a specific name, always with a capital letter.
London, Japan, Nathan, Claire, Amazon River, Mount Everest.
These are specific. They name one particular person, place, or thing.
And proper nouns always start with a capital letter.
Always. That is a very important rule.
Let me give examples of both together.
Good idea.
Common noun: I live in a city. Proper noun: I live in London.
Common noun: she is a teacher. Proper noun: she is Miss Claire.
Common noun: he has a dog. Proper noun: he has a dog named Max.
Perfect examples. The difference is very clear.
Common nouns are general. Proper nouns are specific and capitalized.
Now let's talk about singular and plural nouns.
Yes, this is very important for beginners.
Singular means one. Plural means more than one.
And in English, we usually add s to make a noun plural.
One book, two books. One cat, three cats. One friend, many friends.
Simple. Just add s.
But there are some rules to remember.
Yes, let's go through them.
Rule 1, most nouns just add s.
Book becomes books. Car becomes cars. Table becomes tables.
Rule 2, noun ending in s, sh, ch, or x add es.
Bus becomes buses. Dish becomes dishes. Watch becomes watches. Box becomes boxes.
Rule 3, nouns ending in consonant plus y change y to I and add es.
City becomes cities. Baby becomes babies. Country becomes countries.
Rule 4, some nouns are irregular. They change completely.
Man becomes men. Woman becomes women. Child becomes children.
Tooth becomes teeth. Foot becomes feet. Mouse becomes mice.
Person becomes people. Leaf becomes leaves. Life becomes lives.
These irregular plurals must be memorized.
Yes, there is no rule. You just have to learn them.
Rule 5, some nouns never change, same in singular and plural.
Sheep, fish, deer, species, series.
1 sheep, 10 sheep, 1 fish, many fish.
No change at all.
Now let's use nouns in real sentences.
Good idea. Let me describe my home using nouns.
Go ahead.
My home has 3 rooms. There is a kitchen, a bedroom, and a living room.
Rooms, kitchen, bedroom, living room, all nouns.
In the kitchen, there is a table with 4 chairs.
Kitchen, table, chairs, all nouns.
In my bedroom, I have 2 windows. There is a big wardrobe and a comfortable bed.
Windows, bedroom, wardrobe, bed, all nouns.
See? Nouns are in every single sentence.
Yes, you cannot make a sentence without nouns.
They are the most essential part of any language.
Now let's talk about pronouns. Claire, what is a pronoun?
A pronoun is a word that replaces a noun.
Replaces means takes the place of something.
Yes, instead of repeating the noun again and again, we use a pronoun.
Let me show why this is so important with an example.
Good idea.
Without pronouns, Nathan went to the shop. Nathan bought some food. Nathan came home and cooked it. Then Nathan ate it.
Ugh, that sounds so strange and so repetitive.
Repetitive means saying the same thing over and over again.
Yes, very unnatural. Nobody speaks like that.
Now, with pronouns, Nathan went to the shop. He bought some food. He came home and cooked it. Then he ate it.
So much better, natural and smooth.
Yes, pronouns make English flow naturally.
Flow means to move smoothly and easily.
Now let's learn all the different types of pronouns.
Yes, there are several types. Let's go through each one.
Type 1, personal pronouns.
These are the most common pronouns. I, you, he, she, it, we, they.
These replace the subject of the sentence.
Subject means the person or thing doing the action.
Nathan works hard. He works hard.
Claire is a teacher. She is a teacher.
The book is on the table. It is on the table.
Nathan and Claire are friends. They are friends.
Nathan and I work together. We work together.
See? The personal pronoun replaces the noun perfectly.
And makes the sentence much more natural. Now let's talk about object pronouns. Yes, these are different from subject pronouns. Object pronouns are used when the pronoun receives the action. The object pronouns are me, you, him, her, it, us, them. Let me show the difference. Good idea. Subject pronoun. I called Nathan. Object pronoun. Nathan called me. Subject pronoun. She helped Claire. Object pronoun. Claire helped her. Subject pronoun. He saw the dog. Object pronoun. The dog saw him. Subject pronoun. They invited us. Object pronoun. We invited them. See the pattern? Subject pronouns do the action. Object pronouns receive the action. Let me give a simple chart. Good idea. I becomes me. You stays you. He becomes him. She becomes her. It stays it. We becomes us. They becomes them. Simple and very important to know. Let's use object pronouns in real sentences. She gave me a gift. Can you help him? I called her yesterday. We need them at the meeting. Can you see us from there? All very natural and very common in everyday English. Now let's learn possessive pronouns. Possessive means showing ownership. Something belongs to someone. The possessive pronouns are mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, theirs. These show that something belongs to someone. Without possessive pronoun, that is Nathan's book. With possessive pronoun, that book is his. Without possessive pronoun, this is Claire's bag. With possessive pronoun, this bag is mine. Without possessive pronoun, that is our car. With possessive pronoun, that car is ours. Let me give more examples. Is this your phone? No, it is not mine, it is hers. These are our seats. Those are theirs. I found a wallet. Is it yours? No, it is not mine, it might be his. All very natural possessive pronoun usage. Now, there's something important to notice. What is that? Possessive pronouns are different from possessive adjectives. Oh yes, very important difference. Possessive adjectives are my, your, his, her, its, our, their. They come before a noun. My book, your bag, his car, her phone. But possessive pronouns stand alone, no noun after them. The book is mine. The bag is yours. The car is his. The phone is hers. Possessive adjective plus noun, or possessive pronoun alone. My book versus the book is mine. Same meaning, different structure. Very important distinction for our listeners. Now, let's quickly learn two more types of pronouns.
Yes, demonstrative pronouns and reflexive pronouns.
Let's start with demonstrative pronouns. This, that, these, those.
Demonstrative means pointing to something specific.
This and these refer to things that are near you.
That and those refer to things that are far from you.
This is my coffee, near me. That is your coffee, far from me.
These are my books, near me. Those are your books, far from me.
This and that are singular. These and those are plural.
Very easy rule. Near versus far, singular versus plural.
Now, reflexive pronouns. Myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, themselves.
Reflexive pronouns are used when the subject and object are the same person.
I hurt myself. The subject I and the object myself are the same person.
She taught herself English. She did it alone, without help.
He cooked the meal himself. He did it on his own.
We enjoyed ourselves at the party. We had a great time.
They introduced themselves to the group.
All very natural reflexive pronoun usage.
By myself means alone, without help from anyone.
I did it by myself. I finished the work by myself.
Very useful phrase in everyday English. Now, let's practice a full natural conversation using nouns and pronouns.
Great idea. Let's show our listeners how they work together naturally.
Hey, Claire, who is that woman over there? Do you know her?
Yes, she's my neighbor. Her name is Sarah. She moved here last month.
Oh, really? Is she friendly?
Very friendly. She introduced herself to me on her first day. She brought me a gift, too.
Oh, how lovely. What did she bring you?
She brought me some homemade cookies. They were absolutely delicious.
That is such a kind thing to do. Does she live alone?
No, she lives with her husband and their 2 children. They are very sweet kids.
What are their names?
The boy is Tom and the girl is Lucy. They go to the school near our street.
Oh, I know that school. My nephew goes there too. His name is Jake.
Oh, really? Maybe they know each other.
Maybe. I will ask him when I see him this weekend.
That would be lovely. By the way, is that your bag on the chair?
No, it is not mine. Is it yours?
No, it is not mine either. It might be Sarah's. I will ask her.
Good idea. Let's go and introduce ourselves to her properly.
Great idea. Let's do that.
See, that was a completely natural conversation.
Yes, full of nouns and pronouns used correctly and naturally.
Let me highlight some of the pronouns we used.
Good idea.
Subject pronouns. She, he, they, it, I, we.
Object pronouns. Her, him, them, me, us.
Possessive pronouns. Mine, yours, hers, his, theirs.
Reflexive pronouns. Herself, ourselves, themselves.
Demonstrative pronouns. That, those.
All 5 types of pronouns in one natural conversation.
That shows how important pronouns really are.
Yes, without them, the conversation would sound so unnatural.
Our listeners should practice having similar conversations.
Yes, talk about people around you using nouns and pronouns.
Describe your family, your friends, your home.
Use all 5 types of pronouns naturally.
Let's do a quick final review of everything we learned today.
Great idea. Let's go through the key points.
A noun is the name of a person, place, thing, or idea.
Common nouns are general, proper nouns are specific and always capitalized.
Singular nouns are one, plural nouns are more than one, usually add s.
A pronoun replaces a noun to avoid repetition.
Subject pronouns, I, you, he, she, it, we, they, used for the doer of the action.
Object pronouns, me, you, him, her, it, us, them, used for the receiver of the action.
Possessive pronouns, mine, yours, his, hers, its, ours, theirs, show ownership.
Demonstrative pronouns, this, that, these, those, point to specific things.
Reflexive pronouns, myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, themselves.
So many important words, but all very natural and very useful.
Which type of pronoun do you find the most challenging? Tell us in the comments.
Yes, we love hearing from our listeners.
And if you enjoyed this episode, please like and subscribe.
Yes, it helps our channel grow so much.
Today was such an important grammar episode.
I enjoyed every single moment of it, Nathan.
Me too, Claire. Thank you so much for being here today.
Thank you, Nathan, and thank you everyone for watching and listening today.
Start noticing nouns and pronouns in everything you read and hear.
They are everywhere, in every sentence, every conversation.
The more you notice them, the more naturally you will use them.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone. Take care.
Bye-bye, everyone. Keep learning and keep smiling.
Bye.
Bye.